I can work on a mob show or vampires and zombies, and I, get to do all of that within a year. It's amazing. It's amazing getting to go to work and do what you love every day. My dad got a video camera like really early on when they were like huge and gigantic, and I was always stealing it and going around and interviewing people or making little movies. And then when I was in high school, I would take that video camera and do the video version of my book report or the video version of whatever the assignment was, and I would wheel in the cart and put on the TV and show that instead. I would make these little movies instead of actually getting up in front of the class. By the time I got to Full Sail, I knew that I wanted to be an editor. I 100% knew that was what I wanted to get into. It's one of the main reasons why I went there. When we did our final film project, I was, we're all supposed to share editing, but I was like, I'm gonna take that on, and was in there as much as I could be. And our director was Darren Bousman, and Darren and I ended up working together on that. And we were in the middle of producing our movie that was like so important, make this movie that we're gonna do that was gonna be so great and win us all these awards. I was in the Avid lab. Someone comes in and says, I can't apply for this internship. I forget why. He's like, I can't apply for this internship, you should do it. And I FedExed overnight and called and said, did you get my resume? And they said, yes, we got your resume. It's right here on top. And then you go through this whole process of like interviewing and meeting with all these great, amazing editors who are very successful. And I was one of the 3 people they picked. I remember vividly receiving the phone call to when they told me that I received the A.C.E. internship. I was in a paint store buying paint to paint my apartment, and I collapsed. I literally fell down and was like, oh my gosh, and like screamed, and the people in the paint store thought I was crazy. The head of the A.C.E. internship program is this woman named Lori Coleman. I interned with her for 1 week on this movie that she was doing, and she ended up doing this new show called The Shield, and she had needed an assistant and brought me on. That was my first union job. Frank Darabont and I met on The Shield. He directed an episode of The Shield. Then I went and did a movie with him, and I guess we got along because he called me again to make another project with him. So he's been a big part of my career, and which is a lot of fun to get to work with someone that's really good with what they do, I say holy cow all the time about the success of The Walking Dead. Most things that I had done were very small and, almost cultish, like cult followings. And then The Walking Dead, we expected that. It's a show about zombies on AMC. It's Mad Men and Breaking Bad. And then when it became that big of a hit, it was a huge, huge surprise. A huge surprise to, I think, everyone involved that it could be that. Maybe not Frank. Frank knew. He fought for it for so many years to get it made, so he knew. I've done Sons of Anarchy, some horror movies like The Mist and Mother's Day with Darren Bousman, pilots to a show called The 100 and Mob City. Violence. Violence and mayhem. It's my thing. And I don't know what it is about what the draw is. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I get to go and have fun and do things that I would never do in the real world in my Avid. But it's kind of become my thing, and I enjoy it. I've done people punching people a lot, so now the challenge is find a new way to do it. Can I do it in less cuts? Can I do it in more cuts? Should I try it from this angle? I've never done that before, and find a way to keep it new, or find a project that's something that I've never thought of doing before. A new style is fun, but not comedies. Watch, I'm gonna end up doing a comedy.